running an e-commerce store and not showing whether you should use Google Ads. In this video, I'm going to show you when to use and how to grow profitably no matter what stage you're at with your e-commerce store. Let's dive in. People go to Google with a purpose. They're actively searching to solve a problem, compare options, or make a purchase. They type things like best sandals for plantar fasciitis, buy dog bed orthopedic XL, waterproof backpack for laptop. If your product fits and your ads show up, you're halfway there to the sale. Now, let's look at the different ways that an e-com store can show up on Google. First, search ads. These are the text ads that show up at the top when someone searches with a keyword. They catch people that are ready to buy. Next, we have shopping ads. They show your product image, price, and store right there in the search results. Third, we have Performance Max. These are smart campaigns that run across Google, YouTube, Gmail, and more. They use automation to try to find the best places to show your ads. So when is Google Ads a right fit? It's ideal if you're selling something that solves a clear problem or meets a strong desire. If people are already searching for your keywords, or if you found a product to market fit and you want to scale profitably. Google scoops up all that high intent traffic. These are people comparing, deciding, and ready to buy. They're typing stuff like best running shoes or Nike running shoes reviews. And if you're there with a clear offer and strong positioning, they convert. And then there's retargeting across both platforms. You can let Performance Max do the heavy lifting. It follows your visitors across search, YouTube, Gmail, and more. You can also set up these campaigns to get more optimization by setting up search campaigns, display campaigns, and YouTube campaigns for your e-commerce store. We actually teach this in the KeyCommerce Academy, our community built just for store owners. Every week we jump on live calls, help you fix issues with your funnel, help you optimize your campaigns and scale profitably. We also have courses in there and a great community. I'll leave a link down below, go and check it out. I really hope this helped and give you a roadmap that you can follow. If you want to go deeper into the Google Ads side of things, we've got a free Google Shopping course and we've got a free Performance Max course. I'll leave a link down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.